Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XEM coin. Today I want to share with you that how the price action of XEM after extreme sell-off has completed another very powerful, very big, very huge bullish reversal harmonic sharp move on the monthly chart. And this is a very big chart, therefore we can expect a very big move. Previously I shared two ideas with you that we were expecting that the price action of XEM will complete a harmonic cipher pattern, or it can also complete a bullish harmonic sharp move on the 2-day chart. Sometimes there can be some confusion because at the same time it was projected between 1.272 to 1.414 as per the Fibonacci projection, required projection of the bullish cipher, and from 1.13 to 1.618 Fibonacci projection as per requirement of the bullish sharp pattern. Therefore, I shared a complete article at the Patreon at that time on March 13 that how we can identify that it will go for the bullish sharp or bullish harmonic cipher pattern. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay. Finally, the price action went for the bullish sharp move and entered in the buying zone. You can see that the price line was at that time completing this final leg, and I was expecting that it will be moved more down from here to complete the final leg of the bullish sharp. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action here moved sideways and entered in the buying zone and moved up, hit the sell zone, but again moved down. We had a very extreme sell-off, and now this time it has formed another very powerful bullish reversal harmonic move, and this time this move is bigger than the previous one. And now first of all, let me show you this chart, and this is the weekly time frame chart. We can see that the price action is at the very strong support of 0.0000313 satoshis. By the way, in this video I will share my analysis with the Bitcoin pair and also with the US dollar pair as well. So don't worry, I'm just going to share with the US dollar pair after this analysis. Now here we can see that the price action moved down, used this support, and started a very nice rally, very big rally, and then again moved down to this support. We had a small short rally here, and we again had another rally here when the price action moved down at this support, and then again after this rally the price action moved very close to this support and started the next rally here, and then the price action again hit this support here and started another big rally to the upside. And we are again at this support of 313 satoshis, or 0.0000313 satoshis, and from here we can expect that it will again start another rally from here. Now I have also placed some indicators here. For example, this is the directional movement indicator, this is the blue line, this is the orange line. This simply I will explain it that whenever this blue line crosses up the orange line, that is this blue line is the positive directional index in this, and this orange line is the negative directional index. That is the buying signal. And this is the stochastic, the oscillator, and here we have the RSI oscillator. Now we can observe that whenever the price action is moving at the support and we are receiving the signal, the buying signal, whenever this blue line is crossing up this orange line, then and we also have this stochastic in the oversold zone, we can observe a very powerful rally. For example, this was a very big rally. This time it was more than, let me show you how much powerful this rally was. I'm just going to place this measurement tool, and we can see that this was more than 3000% rally. Then the price action moved down at this support. We again had a nice rally here. You can see we had this rally, and the price action. Okay, let me just show you this the oscillators and the indicators as well. For example, yeah, when the price action moved at this support here, we also received the buying signal by the directional movement index, and the stochastic, you can see, was in oversold. And let me just show you the next move now. Again, the price action moved at this support here. Previously we saw this move, and again moved at this support here, And let me show you what was happening with the indicators at that time. We can see that we again received the buying signal by the directional movement index. This blue line crossed up this red line, and the stochastic was in the oversold. Now this time the price line has again reached very close to this support. At this time it is moving at 419 satoshis. Maybe it will touch the support again. However, we should take a look, we should observe this signal of the directional movement index on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that the stochastic is extremely oversold. And if we take a look at the RSI, it has found a down trend line support, and you can see whenever it is moving at the support, it is moving to the upside, and again this time it is touching this support. Therefore it is possible that the price action will, without touching this support, it will start the next rally to the upside. And the recent support the price action has found is at 350 satoshis, 0.0000350 BTC. You can see that the price action here found this support and again reached very close to this support, but moved to the upside, and again moving down to retest this support that was found here. That is at 350 satoshis, or 0.0000350 satoshis. Now the buying zone starts from 0.0000521 satoshi bitcoins and ends up to 0.0000251 Bitcoin. This is a very wide range to buy this XEM here, but we can use this level, that is 350 satoshis, as our stop loss, because here the price action has found a very strong support, and I'm expecting that it will be moved to the upside from here. I'll show you the reason for that. If we take a look at the US dollar pair, then it will be more clear. First of all, let me just share the targets with you. Our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish chart can be from 833 to 14448 BTC, 0.000014448. That is a really very big move. However, this is a very big bullish chart. It is also possible that the price action will also cross up this level. Now let's move to the Bitcoin chart here. You can see that on the weekly time frame chart, on the long-term weekly time frame chart, the price action has formed this falling wedge pattern that is already considered as a bullish reversal pattern among the traders community. And we can see that the price action is moving very well between the resistance and the support of this falling wedge. And this is the 200 simple moving average, and this is the 7 simple moving average. I call this 7 simple moving average as a price lifter. Whenever you use the Binance exchange, if you are a regular user, you know that they provide you this simple moving average by default, and this 7 simple moving average works very well on the long-term time frame charts. By the way, if you don't have account on the Binance, then you can use my referral I've shared in the video's description to create your account there. Now here you can see whenever this 7 simple moving average crosses down the candlestick, like for example here, it lifts the price action very well to the upside. The price action starts a very good rally, very powerful rally. For example, we can also take a look at here, and let me just show you another rally previously, how it has been working. Like it crossed down the candlestick here, and you can see that we had a very nice rally. So on the weekly time frame chart and on the long-term charts, it works very well. So we can wait for the 7 simple moving average to cross down the candlestick for the safer side. And here we can also see that we are also having very good support of 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, and the price action has already had bounced here by this 100 simple moving average. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this falling wedge pattern, that tells us the real story and the area where the traders are interested to trade at this time on the long-term weekly chart in the recent trend. Now we can see to the upside we have the interest of the traders here approximately at 46 cents, and we also have the interest of the traders up to this level, that is approximately at 29 cents. And at this time you can see that the price line is moving in the area where we have very weak interest of the traders. We also have this 100 simple moving average support as well. And you can see that this is the falling wedge pattern, already a bullish reversal pattern. Therefore, it is possible that the price action will use this 100 simple moving average as a good support, and it will form a double bottom here, and it can break out to the upside. And technically, our target, as per the falling wedge pattern, can be here. That is the tail of this falling wedge, approximately at 52.5 cents. The price action, after breaking out from this falling wedge pattern, it can move at 52.5 cents. That is the tail of this falling wedge, and this is the point of control of the volume profile. Whenever the price action moves up or moves down, it always moves back to this point of control. You can see when it was moving up, it was pulled back to this point of control, and therefore we can expect that it can easily move up to this level of the point of control. That is approximately at 37.5 cents. So guys, in my point of view, it is a very big and powerful bullish setup, and this time we can expect another rally from this support to the upside. You can also use the different combination of indicators. I think this combination of indicator is working very well with this bullish setup, or you can also wait for this 7 simple moving average to cross down the candlesticks as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video, and I hope that you will also support me at the Patreon. I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.